Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Today alhamdulillah another one half partition here there. Put the partition there. Gypsum board. People. Inside come to store, come to marketplace, come to marketplace there. City. Now put the steel challenge here. Steel challenge and then put gypsum board. My builder here. Come to the position also.